I'm going to tell you the rules I've established. I'm going to tell you what I've learned is safe and what I've learned is not safe. And I want you to understand that I am not certain about any of this. I am working from pattern and probability, the same way you work out anything you can't study directly, the same way you infer the shape of something from the shadow it throws, he said. Rule 1, do not look for it. Looking for it is different from seeing it incidentally. Looking for it is an invitation, and I don't fully understand the mechanism, but I have tested this enough times to be certain. On the nights when I actively searched the room, before sleep I was aware of it sooner, and for longer than on the nights when I kept my attention on something else. Rule 2, do not speak to it directly. I made this mistake once in the first week. I woke at what I estimated to be around 3 in the morning, with the specific sensation of being looked at, and I said, out loud, I know you're there, and the room changed in a way I cannot describe precisely. Something about the air pressure or the acoustic quality or both. And nothing else happened that night, but the next documented occurrence was 2 days earlier than the pattern predicted, and it has maintained a slightly shorter interval since. He paused. He said, this is the one I most want you to remember. Rule 3, if the notebook is moved, do not move it back. I stopped breathing for a moment. I replayed that in my head, the way you replay something when you heard it, but your mind needs a second pass to accept it. If the notebook is moved, do not move it back. I thought about that instruction. I thought about the specific nature of it, the way it implied not just that the notebook had been moved before, but that moving it back had produced a result, had caused something. And my uncle had not explained what that something was, had moved directly past it to the implicit warning, which was the more important part, which was the